Have you ever wondered how your body processes the water in fruit compared to just plain drinking water? Right? I mean, you can drink a glass of water and then within 45 minutes you're running to the bathroom to urinate, right? Right. Today people are running around with bottles of water. So I want to just run into hydration science and why eating fruit can be the ultimate hydration hack. So the water in fruit is often called structured water, right? It has like a crystalline structure. The structure is slightly different at a molecular level. Look at these strawberries. Beautiful. It's 90% water. In fruit, water molecules form hydration layers around sugars and minerals and proteins. This creates an organized, structured, crystalline arrangement of water molecules compared to free water like, glass of spring water. Then you have the intermolecular bonding, where the water interacts with other compounds like fiber and other things in the fruit through hydrogen bonding, which slightly changes its behavior in your digestive system. What does that mean? The fruit burns slow. The sugar in the fruit burns slowly, right? Water digests slow. Your body breaks down the fiber and cell walls to release the water gradually. This means fruit water provides long-lasting hydration, while plain water is absorbed and excreted almost immediately. All right? I mean, don't get me wrong, plain water is great for quick hydration. You've done a lot of sweating, throw some water in there. After exercise, playing some tennis, whatever. But there's no nutrients in the water like you have in fruit, right? Oranges, watermelons, they come with potassium and antioxidants, which help your hydration and reduce inflammation. Fruit water has a natural edge because of the electrolytes in it, like magnesium and potassium. That's most fruits have some in it. Electrolytes. These help maintain fluid balance and support healthy muscles, nerves, and even your prostate. This is why I usually eat a pre-breakfast of fruit 30 minutes before my regular breakfast of protein and healthy fats. Before the eggs and avocado, I got a bowl of fruit. This is to pre-hydrate my body for the day, right? So here's the deal. Drink plain water for quick hydration between meals, but add hydrating fruits to your diet for sustained hydration and the nutrient boost that comes with that. You got to combine both for the right balance. Listen to your body. You're thirsty, drink some water, right? Hydration is more than just about water. It's also about nutrients and what your body can hold on to, what water is being retained into the body. So give your body what it needs to thrive. Do both regular water and fruit water. Subscribe and follow me for more tips so we can get healthy.